Does it say record in the middle of the screen or REC in red?
REC, yeah.
Alright, we're going. So this is Lissa's hive?
I'm Alyssa Hack, and this is June 1st. We're doing
June 3rd.
June 3rd, and we're doing a hive inspection. Let's go.
Right now we already have the 2 main hive bodies on hers. Keep it on the thing. 2 main hive bodies. And we have the 1 super that we already put on a couple weeks ago. Leave that alone there. We're going in this right now to check and see if we can find what?
Honey.
Honey.
Numbing. Daddy, can you do that? I can't.
Yep. Okay. Theron, the hat on would be good.
Daddy, can you take
I'm
off
just
the
trying to
telescope?
find the
It's
hive.
hot.
Okay. Here, hold these. Oh yeah, it's gotten a little toasty. Alright, let's look. Nothing. Look down the center of the...
No bees are already up there.
Alright, so, what few bees we got up there. Let's give them a little smoke. Alright, back up a little, please. If you're not going to wear the hat, please back up a little, okay?
Smoker?
Bounce it a little.
Okay.
Let's sit a minute.
Okay, I
Look at them mating.
cannot find the hole on the thing.
Oh, did you zoom in?
I don't think so.
Yes, you zoomed all the way in.
Sorry.
Alright, there it is. Now, if you back up a little, you can see this better. If you're too close, you can't get it all in the frame, okay? Back up another step. Thank you. Alright. Want to lift it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we leave it rest on there. And we take a look. And I don't see any wax or anything built up on that. So we're going to slowly take a look. Let everybody see the sunshine here. And slowly put it down on its edge. Alright. Yeah, go ahead. No. Alright, so look. The frame holder is lopsided a little, and that's because it needs to go there. And this one's lopsided to the other side, so it needs to come over here. Alrighty. Go ahead and stand in between the frame holders. Darren, you watching the screen?
Yeah. Tell them bee to move. Okay. Slowly pull it up.
Good job, over the top, and you look, and nothing. Alright, keep it oriented the same direction, right? And we slide and look at this side.
Nothing.
And nothing. So leave it vertical now and slide over here and rest it on the frame holders. Slide it up against the hive some. There we go, just right there. Alright, let's take a look down inside.
Sheesh.
Here, hand me the camera real quick. We'll take a look down inside. See all of them working on those outer frames there. Daddy doesn't see a whole lot inside here, so Daddy's gonna quick just grab an inner frame here. Excuse me, ladies.
You do what?
Oh, Daddy just thought I'd look real quick on the inside. Since they worked from the inside out and from the top here, I could see that there wasn't much going on yet. So we're just going to slide this back in.
I think I zoomed in again.
Is that out?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, they haven't filled the super yet. We don't have any honey. I don't see up there on that inner frame. We're just starting to work the upper frame, so we're going to
Do you want to see me hold a bee?
Shower.
go ahead and...
See?
Oh, there's one. Landed right on you.
Hi.
Sting.
No, he's a big guy, so he doesn't.
Get drone.
Yeah.
Alright, watch where you're resting your sleeve there. You don't want to squish anybody. Alright, since they're
Hi.
becoming somewhat interested in us, let's go ahead and slowly put that frame back on.
Can't.
Yeah, you can. Just ignore him.
He won't sting you, don't worry, Liz. Okay, we're almost done.
Move. Can you guys move? All three of you?
Looks
Okay,
like the
good.
bees.
Alright, Daddy's got him.
Move.
Looks like the bees like my sister a lot.
A little too sweet there, dear. Alright, let's pick up this frame. And slowly put it back in.
Okay, are we done?
We're pretty close. Just keep standing there quietly and filming. Alright, space it out good. Looks good. Alright,
Can you take it off me?
frame hangers. Remember to pull them out this time, since Daddy always forgets. And we'll just set that right there. Actually, you know what? Daddy will set it towards the front
Why?
so that they can find their way back inside. A little easier. Is it clear? Go ahead and give it to me. This one's free and clear.
Whoa.
Alright.
Okay.
Watch out, ladies. Alright, Lissa. Not Lissa, please don't stand in front of the hive. Lissa. Come here, back to the side, please. Thank you. No, Daddy's just gonna work them on out. And slowly back and down. They all out of there?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, yeah, now they are. But one. Move. Now. Now you can put it back.
Okay.
They got out of the way. Let's put the inner cover back, or the, what is this called?
Let's go.
Telescoping cover, right?
Yep.
And we're done.
Alright, hit the little red button again, Theron. And that's the end of...
And this was Alyssa's hive.